It is 14th of August today. I'll take you on a little tour of my garden. These are some of the roses in my front garden, and the roses, wherever they are, they look beautiful. That is another variety. Some new flowers have come out on one of the graftings, but on the other one, which was bud grafted, that branch has come down with the wind, completely broken off, and that is from where it came off. Well, things happen. Some graftings which I did in the past on this Pyracantha bush, I put these two varieties, two grafts. One of them has grown, the other one, it looks still green, but hasn't produced any bud or the leaves, so I can't see anything growing from the second one. On the other branch of Pyracantha, that has one of them has grown, not the other one. At the top, that had started growing, but now it looks completely dead. Another apple tree with a few different varieties and some fruit. A lot of fruit has already fallen. Some of them are early varieties. That's another apple tree which has a lot of different varieties. Some are very early and almost ready to be eaten or ready to be taken off. Some will take another few weeks. Some will take longer than that. Some varieties are nowhere near the ripening stages, and that variety is the last one. Even in most cases, the apples are still hanging on at the end of December or in January, and it can be stored, left in the garage for months and months, and I have eaten it in February, March, and they still taste nice and stored well. That is another apple tree grafted onto M27 rootstock. That's one variety. It is changing color. I have grafted a few varieties over here, and they have grown. These two varieties, that's one grafting giant, that is another one. I got mixed up and forgot to put the labels. Now I don't remember which one was which. on this branch, that is that's Pitmarston pineapple. It was grafted earlier on this year, and it has grown. So what I will do, I'll have to cut from here so that most of the energy is diverted towards the growth of this one. It was grafted over here a while back, and the same variety was grafted over here. So if I cut them, I still have the same on the other branch. I'll do the same with this one. That's grafting which I have recently done. That's the grafting giant. So if I cut the branch over here, and on this one, that variety has grown, which has been grafted this year. And if I cut at least one branch or both of them, then this variety will grow. That is a rosette, and I will cut the smaller branch to graft onto the apple, which has 42 varieties, and one of them was grafted with the rosette, which didn't take off. That is another apple tree. I have grafted a lot of varieties. I cut the old one, which was Gala variety, not coming up with nice fruit, and it had a lot of damage from the scab, not recovering. Waited few years, then I cut and put some new grafts, which all of them have grown. So I will have to reduce the size of some of the grafts which I have done on 2 or 3 branches, the same variety. That is a Cox Pippin orange. Nice apples, looking beautiful. And on the side, that is a Lord Lambourne. Those big clusters, some of them have holes, and I couldn't thin them in time. That might be one of the reasons. These apples are from the Galton, the variety which I brought from Galton, and it is, as I touched it, it came into my hand. This is the apple with 42 varieties, and still some fruit is still hanging. That's James Grieve. Different varieties are at different stages. Some are changing color, some are fully ripe, some of them need another few days. Some of them need a few weeks. That is a Baker's Delicious. It is changing color. That is a Red Delicious. One apple is still hanging. As soon as I take these apples off, I will cut some of the growth back so that it gives the chance for new graftings to grow. And if you look at my grapes, you would be surprised to see how many grapes are there still hanging, but they need some light, which I have taken off some of the leaves to give them a bit of light, and they also need the sun, which very rarely comes out. But the grapes The grapes, they are looking nice.